iOS 17 has officially been released for all iPhone users, and this video will teach you how to update your device to the latest version. If you haven't seen the iOS 17 update yet, then it probably hasn't been released to your device yet. Keep checking back and it should be updated soon. There are these models supported by iOS 17, so if you have a compatible device and the update is available, then start updating. First things first, please back up your phone. You can use iCloud Backup or iTunes Backup. To use iCloud Backup, you need to open Settings and tap on the top. Select iCloud and then select iCloud Backup. Click Backup now and wait a few minutes. To use iTunes Backup, you need to connect your device to your computer and trust it. If your computer is Windows, please download iTunes first. Click the top left phone button, log into Apple ID, find the summary, select Backup this computer, choose Backup now. This backup time is longer. After the backup is successful, you can also see the time of the last backup. After completing the backup, we can update. Return to the main settings menu. Scroll down to find General. Select Software Updates. Here you can find available updates. First, you can turn on automatic updates, if it's not already available. Minor updates are automatically downloaded and installed. You can also turn on or off beta updates, but if you don't like being in beta and don't want to deal with possible crashes, just turn it off. Before updating, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network and that your phone is connected to a power source. A low battery will cause the update to fail. When you're ready, click Download and Install to agree to the new terms. Once the download is complete, the installation will begin, which may take a while. When it finishes, it will restart and your iPhone will be updated and ready to go. You can then go back to Settings, Software Update, and confirm that you're using the latest update. If not, you can re-update the installation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and comment.